This is the GPS Smart Remote, and it was an original accessory for the One X, which allows you to record GPS data like speed, elevation, where you're going, all using the GPS Smart Remote without having to use your phone. You can also use this remote for your One R. So let me show you how to set this up. So the first thing you need to do, if you got your GPS Smart Remote with the One X, is to unpair the remote from the One X camera. So to do this, turn on the GPS Smart Remote by holding down the square button. And then once it's on, hold down these two buttons at the same time. You'll hear a beep, and now the Smart Remote is unpaired from the One X camera. Now to connect your One R to the GPS Smart Remote, turn on the One R. Swipe down from the top of the screen and go to Settings. Then go to Bluetooth Remote, and now the One R will search for the Bluetooth remote, and under other devices it says Insta360 remote. Tap this, and now the One R will begin to pair with the GPS Smart Remote. So here it says connecting, it's connected, and now when you've got the icon over here, the One R and the remote is connected. Then go back, and in general you can turn on Bluetooth Wake Up, and I'll show you what this will do. So now if I turn off the GPS Smart Remote, the One R will turn off. And now when I turn on the GPS Smart Remote, this is what Bluetooth Wake Up is for. The GPS Smart Remote will turn on the One R. Now the controller and One R is connected, and I can just tap the circle button to start recording, and now the One R will begin recording. You can see here the strength of the GPS signal. Then I can tap the circle again to stop it. You can press the square button to cycle through the different filming modes. You can take a photo, do a time lapse, or go back to standard video. So now if I open the clip in the app, go to Settings, Stats. Here I can check all the options. Tap the tick button to confirm. And if I play it, you can now see all the stats are on the screen. That's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.